So we've got to put a ridiculous clock. Well, actually you've got up better than I have because you're further away, so joke's on you. Found this nice viaduct, and we are here with a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So this is the new one. It's got the same engine spec as the Performante. We've got rear wheel steering. So really now it's kind of diverged from the R8 more than it ever has. It looks fabulous, doesn't it, in this orange? So if you do go hunting for Audi stuff in here, you are actually going to struggle. I mean, there's this kind of, maybe that button there, some of the switches probably, but it's all really bespoke, and you've got these sort of crazy switches all here. Doesn't mean you can never actually find anything, but I'm sure with a few weeks you'd get there. Windows are here, believe it or not. Lights are all down here. There are no indicator stalks, instead you've got a little button there, and if you want to self-cancel you have to push it back in.
So what's your favourite bit?
The engine. Now I've driven it, definitely the engine. It feels way more savage than the R8, and it feels quick, and it sounds amazing. So yeah, great engine, good car.
Okay, the sun's in my eyes, and we're gonna go get some rolling shots of the MR2 wrap.
Get my serious road tester face.
I need a Lamborghini in my life. How's it sound, Jake?
It sounds real nice. It sounds like a Lamborghini should sound.
It's surprising how much of this job I spend just sat on the floor in the dirt. So I've got my jeans that are dual wash on. You don't want to clean on pair when you're doing a shoot like this.
I just really don't like the wheels. They just look like Focus ST wheels.
They do, don't they?